I'll discuss that yesterday's test paper. First question is choose the correct option. Okay, that is 1A is the reciprocal of 2 divided by 1 by 2 is, that means you have to find out the reciprocal of 2 divided by 2. Okay, so first you have to divide, that means 2 into 1 by 2 into reciprocal of half, this is 2, 4. So you have to find out reciprocal of 4, that is 1 by 4. Our answer is, that is 2. Option number 2 is correct. Many of you have done it correctly, maximum of you. Second is B, the additive inverse of 5 by 6. Additive inverse of 5 by 6. If you remember the definition of additive inverse, that means the number you have to add to this so that it becomes 0. That means you have to add a number to this so that it becomes 0. So what can we add? That is minus 5 by 6. 5 by 6, that then it will become 0. So your answer is minus 5 by 6. So that option number 1, minus 5 by 6 is your answer. Next is question number C, sum of all the interior angles of a hexagon. Okay, that means we have learned that formula for the sum of interior angle. What is the formula? That is n minus 2 into 180. Okay, so n is number of side of a polygon. So here it is hexagon, that means n equals to 6. So it will be 6 minus 2 into 180, that is 4 into 180 is 720 degree. That is your option number 4 is your answer. Next is 2A, that is that dash, fill in the blanks. First is 2A, dash doesn't have any reciprocal. A number that doesn't have any reciprocal, that is 0. That means if how can we express it as 0? 0 by any number, say this is 2. Okay, so if we have to find out its reciprocal, so it will be 2 by 0, and something divided by 0 is undefined, so it is undefined. Okay, so your answer is, that means 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. Your answer is 0. B, dash is the regular polygon with 8 sides. That polygon with 8 sides known as octagon. Okay, and C is, in a linear equation the dash power of the variable appearing in the equation is 1. So that is power of the linear equation is what? That is 1. Highest power which should be 1. So in the blank we will write highest or greatest, you can write. Next is solve that following questions. First set of question is A, the measures of the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3, find the angles. That means ratio is, so when there is a ratio, how can we consider? Let's consider that angle is x, 2x and 3x, as it is a triangle. So sum of these angles should be 180. So that is 6x equal to 180 and x equals to 180 divided by 6, that is 30 degree. That means x is 30 degree. So x equals to 30 degree. So 2x equals to 60 degree and 3x equals to 90 degree. Okay. B, you have to find the value of x if you have to find this value of x. Okay, first you have to open this bracket. So 7 into 2s are 14, 7 into minus 6 is minus 7x, minus 5 into x is minus 5x, and this is minus 5 into 12, that is minus 16. Many of you have made this mistake. You have written plus here. Okay, that mistake many of you have done. Okay, so be careful about this sign. It is 8. So minus 7x minus 5x, that is minus 12x. This is 14 minus 60, that is minus 46. Okay, that is equals to 8. Now we will transpose this minus 46 to right hand side. So it will be 54. So x equal to 54 minus 12. If I divide both numerator and denominator by 6, it will be 6 9s are 54 and 6 2s are 12. So your answer will be minus 9 by 2. Some of you have forgotten this negative sign. Okay. Next, using appropriate property, you have to find this. One by 2 minus 1 by 6 into minus 2 by 3 plus 7 9 into minus 1 by 6. So you have to use properties here. Okay, it's not only to calculate this, you have to use properties also. So minus 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6 is common here. So I will take that is common, and what will remain here? Minus 2 by 3 will remain here. Okay, plus, and what will remain here? 7 by 9. So 3 and 9, LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. 3 3s are 9, minus 6 plus 7 and minus 6 into this is 9. 1 by 6 9s are 54. So 54 is again 2 and 54. LCM is of 2 and 54 is 54. 27 minus 1, that is 26 by 54. If we take out its lowest form, it will be, so your answer is 13 by 27. Here what property I have used? Distributive property. You have to write these properties also. Okay, maximum 99% of you have made mistake here. Either you have not used properties or you have made this mistake in this calculation. So be very careful. That is question number D. I think many of you, almost all of you have done it correctly. Only that some of you have forgotten to write units. Okay, it is given 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So unit of perimeter will be 14 centimeter. Some of you have forgotten to write this unit. So be careful. Next is question number 5A. Next is question number 5A. The question is, the sum of 4 consecutive multiples of 7 is 70. Find these multiples. So as they are multiples of 7, so first multiple we consider it as 7x. The next multiple will be 7x plus 7. This is first, this is second, and third will be 7x plus 14, and fourth will be 7x plus 21. If we add them, we will get 70. Okay, 7x plus 7 plus 7x plus 14 plus 7x plus 21. It is 70. This condition is given. So 7, 14, 21, 28. 28x. This is 7, 21 and 42. 70. Okay. 28x equals to 70 minus 42, it is equal to 20. So x is equals to 28 by 28, it is 1. It is not your answer. Okay, you have the number is 7x or multiply 7x. So number will be 7 into 1, 7 into 1 plus 7, that is 7, 14, like this way, 21 and 20. These are your answer. Next, perimeter of a triangle is 49 centimeter. Okay, perimeter of a triangle is 49 centimeter, and one side, so this is a triangle, its perimeter is 49 centimeter. One side, say name it, one side is 7 centimeter longer than another side and 5 centimeter shorter than the third side. Find the side. Say this side is x. This side 7 centimeter longer than another side. That means it will, this is longer than this by 7 centimeter. So it will be x minus 7, and this is shorter than this. Okay, so it is greater than this by 5, so it is x by 5. You try to understand this. It is short, this is greater than this by 7, so it will be lesser, okay, shorter in length. How much? 7, so it will be x minus 7, and this one is shorter than this by 5. That means this is greater or longer by how much? 5 centimeter. So x minus 7 plus x, this is equals to 49. So 3x minus 7 plus, it is minus 2, 49. So 49 plus 2, it is 51. So x equals to 17. So if x equals to 17, this will be 10 and this is equals to will be 22. Okay. Next is a parallelogram given. Okay, and you have to find out angles. This is 114 degree and this is 3y. Okay, and this is 42 degree and this is z, this is x. As they are parallelograms, so this angle, angle B and angle D, they are equal. So that means 3y equals to 114. So y equals to what? 114 divided by 3, that is 38 degree. Okay, and this and this, they will make, or this and this will make 180. Okay, linear pair. So what? Z plus 42 degree plus 114 equals to 180 degree. So z equals to 180 minus 156 degree. So it is 24 degree, and this z and x, they are equal because they are alternate interior angle. As it is 24, so it will be 24. Okay. Thank you.